Hello, dear friends. Welcome to another interesting module of academic typesetting using LaTeX, creating presentations. Presentations are a vital component in seminars, webinars, talks, or lectures. Presentations are very useful and are given to an audience with the purpose of sharing information with a group of people. This may be at an academic conference, a business meeting, or even a project progress update. LaTeX can be used for creating presentations. There are several packages for the task, including the Beamer package, which we are going to explore in this session. Since LaTeX produces PDFs, you simply need to open the presentation PDF in full screen mode in your PDF viewer to give the presentation. Beamer is a powerful and flexible LaTeX class to create great looking presentations. This session outlines the basic steps to making a Beamer slideshow, creating the title page, highlighting important points, and various other configurations, etc. Before going into that, let us see what are the advantages of using Beamer. First of all, this is free for preparing presentation. The outcome is platform independent. We know the outcome of LaTeX document, it is PDF. So we can display PDF documents pretty much with any operating system. Then we get typographic advantages of LaTeX, especially in typesetting of text and mathematics. And let's see what are the disadvantages. If you have no or very little mathematics, the advantages of LaTeX become less critical. Some aspects of animation may be admittedly harder to create with LaTeX. So, in my opinion, we cannot simply replace PowerPoint presentation with Beamer output. Basically, it is a document, PDF document. So generating dynamic or animated characters are not that much easy to create in PDF. But keep one thing in mind, that a standard presentation may not require such dynamic presentations. Now let us see how a Beamer package can be loaded into your LaTeX document. It can be loaded by calling the Beamer class. So instead of document or article, we have to start the document by giving document class Beamer. This tells the compiler that we are going to create a presentation. And the Beamer class comes with several slide themes which can be used to change the color and layout of the slides. Lot number of predefined templates are there. We can make use of this. This is an example for that. Here a theme named Bodilla is used. So we can include that in the document by using the command use theme command. Number of different themes are available in repository. Now inside the document environment, multiple frame environments are there. It specifies the content to be put on each slide. The frame title command specifies the title of each slide. This is the basic structure of a Beamer document. After the preamble section, we begin the document. Within the document, we add number of different frames. Begin frame command, end frame command is there. Within that, we can include our contents. We will explore more about this now itself. Now let us see a minimal working example of a simple Beamer presentation. I will compile this document first so that we can see the output. Let us see the output PDF file in detail. I will explain the code after that. After compilation, a 3-page PDF file will be produced. In order to display this PDF file as a presentation, you just click on the View option of the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Then click on the full screen mode. Here you can see this is the title page. The title is Academic Typesetting using LaTeX. And add-on course, this is the subtitle. Followed by that you can see the name of author, then some other description also. This title is repeated over here also. The name of the author, institute, all these things are repeated in the bottom part also. This is a standard template, and you can see total number of slides is 3, out of which this is the second slide, then this is the third slide. Okay, now let us explore the code. The first statement in the document declares this is a Beamer slideshow. Document class Beamer. After that, you can see /use theme Bodilla. This is nothing but name of the theme that I used in this presentation. Before beginning the document, I have defined the title section. This part we have already studied in the beginning sessions. We can define title by using title, subtitle, author, institute commands, all these things. And here the date command is used to insert the date. If you didn't provide anything as an argument to this, this will not display date. And this is part of preamble section. The first command after the preamble section is begin frame. And in the document, you can see a number of begin frame, end frame constructs. This creates different slides. After the begin document, the first frame comes over here. Within that, I have included make title command. The make title command, we have seen that already in the article type document. It will simply insert the title as we defined in this preamble section. So it generates the title page. This page may contain information about author, institution, event, logo, and so on. Then the frame environment creates the second slide. This is self-descriptive command. The frame, this is the second slide. The title is given as this is the first slide. Just ignore that. Here you can see frame title. This is the first slide. So this is printed over here. And coming to the third slide, here you can see an additional command is also there. This is also included within the begin frame, end frame construct. And here also you can see frame title. This is the second slide. So it is printed as it is here also. Then after that, you can see frame subtitle. A bit more information about this. So it is printed as a subtitle in the third slide. So you can see that frame is the main component here. But a frame is not exactly equivalent to a slide. One frame may contain more than one slides. For example, a frame with several bullet points can be set up to produce a new slide to reveal each consecutive bullet point. This is another example. Here also the document class is Beamer. Let me compile this document. It is creating the presentation output. Yes. Here you can see the look and feel is different from the previous one, because here I have used a different theme, Cambridge, US. Okay. See, Beamer maintains a number of features. It offers some useful features to bring your presentation to life and make it more attractive. One of the important feature in that is the title page. Here you can see title, subtitle, name of the author, their address, institution, all these things. Let me describe each field in the title page. Please keep it in mind that in the preamble section, we are only defining the title. This will be displayed in the presentation only if we use /title page or make title command in any of the frame of the presentation. Okay, so this is the definition section. Here you can see title and the first argument within the square bracket. This is an optional component. It is used only for long titles. In this presentation, you can see COVID crisis is displayed here. This is a running, we can say this is a running title. And The actual title of this presentation is Financial Crisis, a Survey. So this is given within the braces. It is displayed as a title over here. Financial Crisis, a Survey. Coming to the next line, the fifth line here, subtitle, Working Paper number 2021 to 97. See, please just ignore the content part and all. This is a dummy content and our interest is in the commands and all. So, if you give subtitle, working paper, it will print like this. The appearance differs depending upon the theme. And then you can see author. First we give short version of the author names, comma separated. It can be added inside square brackets. This is an optional component. If omitted, the full name is displayed at the bottom of the title page. Inside the braces, we provide complete name of authors separated by an and command, /and command. You can also see there is institution command, /inst. This command puts a superscript to reference the institution where each author works. This is the institution of first author and this is the institution of second author. For that we use this command, institution 1, institution 2, etc. And it is optional and can be omitted if there is only one author or listed author work at the same institution. This date is displayed as a footer in the presentation. See this, August 2021. It is printed in the bottom part, basically in the footer part of the presentation. Okay, then you can see conference on open economic considerations 2021 is printed as part of the title. We can also include logo by using include graphics commands. We will see an example that includes images in a short while. Okay, so here begins the document and the first slide is title slide. We include the title by using the /title page command within a frame, begin frame, end frame. So this particular block will create the title slide. And the second frame is used to include table of contents. See this, again I am beginning a frame by using the begin frame, end frame command, and within that frame title is there, it is table of contents. Then set counter table of contents depth 1, which means the level of table of content is 1 here. So only title part is displayed here. If the table of content depth is 2, which means subsection also will be displayed after 1, like 1.1, etc. And the command /table of contents will give you the table of contents in this particular page. It is very much convenient to divide the complete presentation into sections or even subsections. In this presentation, you can see that I have included the command section /section introduction. So it is displayed as it is, introduction. Then there is a subsection, it is my subsection, but it is not printed as part of the table of content because we set the table of content depth as 1. Okay, now let us go to the next slide. This is the first slide. So this is achieved by using this particular block. You can see another frame over here. This particular slide is achieved by using this code block. Here frame title is given, frame title, this is the first slide, so it is printed as it is. Then the section will not be printed over here, it is used for creating table of contents. Coming to the third slide here you can see an additional line is printed after the title, a bit more information about this. So this is achieved by using the frame subtitle command. Frame subtitle, a bit more information about this. So if you use this based on the theme of presentation we use, it will be displayed immediately after the frame title. Okay, and if you closely watch the presentation, you can see name of the author is printed at the bottom part and the running title is here. Then date, number of slides is also printed over here. Okay, so you have different slides over here.